Okay, this is the HAS Online Trade Server, also known as the Advanced Trade Bot. Let's see what this thing can do. Let's set up a bot. Click up here to go to the menu. Go down to Trade Bots, double click. Okay, I already have some set up. Let's go to this one that I have created just to use as an example. Alright, you can select your exchange here, you can select your currencies here, trade amount, pick a name, etc. Here we have safeties. There are a lot of safeties to choose from. Static drop loss, static roof out, dynamic drop loss, dynamic roof out, moving average drop loss. Roof out is going to be the same thing as what most people call a stop loss, but on this bot it's called a drop loss, but in the opposite way. Dynamic roof out, so if there's a price spike, then it's going to start to sell. Here we have it at default 140%, so 40% above the current price. Then it would start to sell. 97% down, it's going to sell too, as our drop loss safety, but that is getting reset all the time by moving average. Instead of a traditional static drop loss, and with a static drop loss you would just set a price. Right now the price is 0 and you just set a price, which can also be fine, but it might lose relevance depending on what the market is doing or if you're sleeping. Okay, so we've got that set up. Okay, we've got some indicators here, a lot to choose from. MACD, MA moving average, MACD histogram, RSI, rate of change. Also really simple ones, price, high, low, price percentage change. I'm not going to get into the details of every indicator. You could spend a lot of time on that. But here I have set up a basic combination of an RSI and an MA, which is using an SMA. I have them at the default, but you can also tell each indicator how long it should update, so how often it should update. Here I've got 5 minutes. You could set it at 1 minute all the way up to 180 minutes. You could also set up separate indicators, one for buy, one for sell. That could be interesting. Just click here, and this indicator will only buy or only sell. Or if you just wanted to get rid of some coins at a good price, you could only sell or you could only buy. You just would have to set it up the correct way. Okay, good. So in here, yeah, you can adjust the settings of the moving average. My computer is a little slow. Okay, I got it set to 10 minutes. Buy and sell signals, short length, long length. Okay, and here we already have some chart information to show. Looks nice. Okay, let's go back. And then we've got our insurances. Overcome fee costs, so that you don't lose money with your fee costs per trade. Price change, percentage of the price change, or avoid sell and buy walls. In my opinion, if you're going to have an insurance, I would say percentage change is okay, or overcome fee costs. So yeah, here we go. Wanted raise 1%, wanted drop 1% in the price. Okay, so the indicators and the insurance are going to have to agree before there's a buy or sell action. The safety is going to check the whole time. So basically the bot is checking over and over what's going on. Okay, this bot is not activated, but let's go to one that is activated and see what's going on. Let's see here. Okay, we've got Primecoin. Bitcoin on Cryptsy hasn't been running very long. We have one sell to show in the logbook. So here's the trade logbook. Sell. Okay, now let's check out here. Current signals. Come on. Alright, now we can check what our signals look like. Buy threshold, sell threshold. Here's the trade bot signal. So, like I said, all of the signals combined, the insurance, the safety, and the indicators together create the trade bot signal here. Here are then the individual signals of the indicator. This is the market price, actually. And here's the indicator signal. You can go to debug log. It's going to show you exactly what the bot is doing with the API. Insurance does not agree with the trade. So the indicator wanted to trade here, but it wasn't a 1% difference, so it stopped the trade from happening. See, buy signal produced by the indicators. Insurance does not agree with the trade. Okay, fine. Tried to create a buy command. Insurance does not agree. Trade buy. Yeah, so then you can say, okay, that's good, or you can say, oh, I want to take the insurance off and see what happens. You can see what's going on, what your bot is actually doing. Okay, back to the overview. Okay, those are the basics of the Hass Online Trade Server Advanced Trade Bot. Hope you enjoyed the little video. More to come.